What's Forex News for Wednesday, December 17th, provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Derika Isakova. After positive reports on retail sales and consumer sentiment index of the USA improved the situation, consumer spending looks much better. Nevertheless, hardly anybody expects that the Federal Reserve System is to initiate its smooth monetary policy soon, taking into account that the central bank is still focused on household sector problems. The price for the U.S. Treasury bonds dropped amid the data released on Friday, and the futures for the federal funds rate are likely to be raised in the middle of 2010. Next week, the demand can surely return to the Treasury bonds market, bearing in mind the fears regarding the sovereign credit ratings. On the whole, the news obtained last Friday appeared to be positive for the economic outlook, showing the U.S. unemployment rate downturned by 0.2% in November and the job cuts in the non-farm sector by 11 thousandths. Firstly, the Commerce Department of the USA stated about retail sales upturned by 1.3% in November, while there was predicted an uprise by 0.7%. The initial consumer sentiment index of Reuters and Michigan University reached the mark of 73.4 in December against the previous month reading of 67.4. Although the sales jump was caused by substantial discounts and can be accepted as one of consequences of old cars utilization program, which pushed up the sales of automobile industry in the third quarter. In addition, because of high debt rates, the households will be inclined to save more than spend, especially in the next year when the fiscal stimulation will be over. Indeed, the money flow report of the FRS published on Thursday unveiled that in the third quarter the household continued making savings in order to reduce the indebtedness formed by the reason of household market collapse and the financial crisis. The labor market condition remains extremely negative, that is no good for consumer expenditures. It was Forex News provided to you by InstaForex News team and me, Derika Isakova. Thank you for watching us and goodbye.